Welcome to this virtual product launch. My name is Rosa Mauri and I will be hosting this session today. First, let me introduce our speaker, Felix Gomez.
Hello Rosa and welcome everyone.
Felix is our product marketing manager for light towers and he is going to introduce today the latest addition to the HiLight range. Felix, before you introduce the new HiLight model, tell me, how do you see the actual situation of the light towers market and its future?
Nowadays, we are all adapting the way we do things and the way we think forward in our daily life. We are experiencing one of the most dynamic periods of time in our history, and this is applicable to the light towers as well. New regulations to reduce carbon footprint and noise pollution have led into new lighting solutions in work sites. Consumers and professionals are having more environmental awareness, and that is producing an increase of the interest on efficient and silent machines. So the future is now.
A light tower is an essential piece of equipment in many applications. So what is your advice in order to choose the right one?
A light tower plays an important role when it comes to the project's productivity and safety. That's why it's crucial to know what to pay attention to during the selection process. Firstly, you might look at the durability and lifespan. In average, a light tower remains in a rental fleet from 6 to 8 years. That means you have to make sure that it's made of materials that can withstand harsh environments. On top of that, luminosity and light coverage are key to make sure that the light tower can work in any application, providing flexibility.
In addition to luminosity and resistance, you have also mentioned the environment. So how does it influence in the decision process?
It has a big impact, Rosa. Users are always looking for efficient light towers, not only when it comes to fuel consumption and CO2 reduction, but also to noise performance. Noise level is an important aspect to be considered, essentially because noise regulations are becoming more and more strict. In order to maximize the fleet utilization, you have to make sure that it can work in any application with low noise requirements.
And what about their daily activities? Can mobility and serviceability impact also in the decision?
Indeed, light towers can spend long periods of time placed in one location, so it's useful to choose a model design with portability and transportation efficiency in mind. This will lead to operational cost reductions, bringing faster return of investments. Additionally, preventing downtime is crucial, which makes serviceability another key point on the decision process.
Atlas Copco was pioneer in introducing a full range of light towers with LED technology, which is the HiLight range. How has it evolved and influenced in the market, Felix?
We built a complete product portfolio of light towers for the last years, taking into account customer needs. On top of that, I can say that there is a HiLight light tower for any application, from diesel to electric and battery, coming through different light coverage and running hours. Each one is the best suitable option depending on the application's key requirements.
And now we are taking the next step by launching the HiLight H6+.
Yes, Rosa. The increased demand of efficient and silent machines combined with wider light coverage made us to think about a versatile light tower that can fit in a wide range of segments like construction, events, mining and general industry. On top of that, we have developed an innovative hard hat body made of polyethylene that provides robustness and prevents from corrosion.
Are you ready to show us more details now?
Today, I'm going to show you the new HiLight H6+, a light tower that offers more than meets the eye. Follow me. Let me start with its body, which is the core part of the light tower. Firstly, you discover its compact and modern design. At first glance, you can recognize our unique hard hat technology on the enclosure, offering high resistance in harsh environments. But the HiLight H6+ offers much more. All the body is also made of medium-density polyethylene, rather than metal. This ensures high performance and resistance to high temperatures. Moreover, the pop-up canopy allows an easy and complete access to the inside components, ensuring the best serviceability. You just need 40 minutes for a complete service every 600 hours. The HiLight H6 Plus delivers a significant reduction in noise levels and is on average 5 decibels quieter than comparable light towers on the market, what makes it ideal for metropolitan construction, industrial works and events. The HiLight H6 Plus features an integrated lifting point, 4 forklift slots and 3 different tow bars to choose, making easy its transportation. The tow bar provides flexibility as can be folded during transportation. The light tower is easy to use thanks to its complete access to the external control panel, which includes an advanced controller with automatic start and stop, photocell and timer. The HiLight H6 Plus comes with a dimming function to offer the right luminosity at each moment, delivering up to 40% fuel and CO2 savings and extending its autonomy over 300 hours. The new generation of LED floodlights are more efficient and provide optimal light distribution up to 6,000 square meters, which means 20% more in average than market standard. With 6,000 square meters luminosity, 600 hours of service interval, less noise, flexible transportability and 40% fuel and CO2 savings, the HiLight H6 Plus with a hard hat body is the best choice for any application. Discover it yourself!
It looks great, Felix. You mentioned how important is the application in order to choose the best light tower. So tell us, why HiLight H6 Plus is a good choice for a construction site, for instance?
Well, Rosa, the HiLight H6 Plus is a great choice because the hard hat body made of medium density polyethylene is corrosion free, more resistant than metal and better to meet the tough demands on site. H6 Plus also provides 6,000 square meters of light and low noise, which is especially ideal for metropolitan construction.
And what about other segments like mining, industries and events?
Mine sites have different requirements than other applications. H6 Plus is the perfect choice because in addition to the wide light coverage, it offers a great mobility thanks to the different tow bars available and 185 hours of autonomy. When it comes to events, H6 Plus is the perfect partner as well because noise level is as low as 55 decibels.
Nice! It looks very easy to transport. Our audience can also interact with the virtual model at any time with the 3D tool and also with the augmented reality in your own devices after the session. So let's move ahead and take some questions. Felix, let's pick this one. Why are 55 decibels an advantage and what are the trend of noise levels in Europe?
H6 Plus is the quietest light tower in the market. 55 decibels represent the noise produced by a normal conversation like the one that we are having now. So the European Commission is expected to issue a legislative proposal by the end of 2020. The proposal is likely to suggest an update to the existing noise limits in the outdoor equipment, and most likely noise levels above 56 decibels will be considered as high noise.
What is the main benefit of an extended service interval?
Customers doing an intensive use of the light tower can benefit from operational cost reductions. Combined with the improved accessibility, it helps to reduce downtime as maintenance can be carried out in less than 1 hour.
Let's pick another one. How can the brightness of the floodlights be increased?
By using the latest LED technology, delivering more lumens per watt and combining it with our unique lenses to improve light dispersion.
Okay, let's pick the last one. You mentioned that the HiLight H6 Plus is a diesel-driven light tower that reduces CO2 emissions. Can you explain how?
Because it delivers more light with same power. It makes H6 Plus more efficient than other alternatives in the market. It also means that less light towers are needed to cover same area, and less energy is consumed. Additionally, our floodlights are dimmable, adjusting the brightness to the application and reducing fuel consumption and CO2 by 40%.
Thanks, Felix, for this very good introduction.
Thank you, Rosa, and thank you all for participating.
Before we finish, let me summarize. With 6,000 square meters of luminosity, as silent as 55 decibels, up to 40% less emissions, the best serviceability, and the hard hat technology in all its body, HiLight H6 Plus is more than meets the eye. Thanks for watching and see you next time.